lot of chicken? Oh, wow. Okay. All right, then. Okay.
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
You want to go to the bark park?
Should we get popcorn?
Going for a walk. Because we're hungry? Okay.
We can go get a taco. Maybe some.
I think on my way over while we go for a car ride, I think we'll probably stop at Starbucks and get pup cups.
So, I thought I could go for a walk.
Do you want to... Are you going to chase the bunnies? Oh, so you want to chase the bunnies with us?
You know, you're going to have to come over today and you're going to have to pick up your Crocs.